AI is writing more and more of the world's code every single day. But here is the question. Do you really know which parts are written by human and which ones came from an AI model? In a world where AI generated code is everywhere, developers, educators, and tech teams need a way to see what was written by humans and what was generated by machines. That's exactly what this Code Spy tool was designed for. It scans your code base and highlights the sections that are likely to have been generated by AI. AI code is not always bad, but studies have shown it can sometimes include outdated logic, unstable memory handling, and even links to databases that no longer exist. These hidden issues can break production systems, cause delays, and lower client trust. Identifying AI written sections help you focus your debugging and quality assurance exactly where it's needed most. The process is simple. You upload your source code, choose your language, whether that's Java, Python, JavaScript, PHP, or C Sharp, and let the tool analyze it. Within moments, it identifies which lines or functions were most likely written by AI models. It does not rewrite or fix code automatically because that's still best left to human developers, but it gives you the clarity to fix the right things faster. If you are a solo developer or a part of small consulting team, this kind of detection can help you hours. You can still use AI coding assistants, but now before you deliver your project to clients, you will know exactly where potential bugs or outdated logic might be hiding. Fewer client revisions mean more trust, faster delivery, and more contracts coming your way. For growing teams and engineering managers, this kind of visibility brings accountability. With AI coding tools becoming mainstream, many organizations want to track how much of their code base is AI generated, not just for quality assurance but also for legal and compliance reasons. Future contracts may even include clauses that limit how much AI code can be submitted in a project. Having clear visibility over which parts are AI generated means you can manage risk before it becomes a problem. Let's take a quick look at how this works in practice. We will see how CodeSpy helps to pinpoint the AI in source code file. This is the CodeSpy web page or dashboard. On the left menu, there are dashboard, reports, and projects, and on the right, you can see new AI scan button. To know the AI content, all you have to do is select language from the drop down. We have options for Java, Python, JavaScript, C Sharp, PHP, C++ as a base language. Copy the part of the source code, and this is the Java code which I have used. Paste it. Once you have done that, click on Analyze to scan the code or to analyze the code. We see that CodeSpy found that this code has 98% likelihood of having AI used in it by probability of AI indicator. For details, click on the link and observe the results. This code appears to be AI generated. Our analysis suggests that there is a 98% chance that the content you entered was written by an AI algorithm. And here is the verdict, 98 out of 100. On dashboard, copy the human written code which was used in source code, and again that's written in Java. Paste it. Click on Analyze to scan the code. We see that CodeSpy found the code is human written code by detecting the probability of AI used contents likely to be 2%. And the indicator is showing as human. And on dashboard, there is a clear scenarios of how CodeSpy uses the techniques and segregates the source code contains AI generated code or not by indicators such as human and mostly AI. Overall, it is very useful tool and greater user-friendly AI with higher efficiency, accuracy, and maximum speed, which makes CodeSpy a recommended option for regular use. AI helps us code faster, but accuracy still depends on human judgment. With the right detection tools, developers can combine the creativity of human thinking with the power of automation while keeping full control over quality and accountability. In the end, great software is not just written fast, it's written smart.